Hello, good afternoon my friends, how are you today? Today I'm going to show you how to make this box. Is to put the bottles of Madeira wine or bottles of wine, so to transport. I'm going to show you how to make the box, but the box already made, so the video is finished today. I don't have anything more to say, so bye bye. What? No, I have to show you how to make the box? No, I don't want to make the box, too much work. But okay, I'll show you how to make the box. So, first thing to do, you get a box like this size, okay? So what we're gonna do, so you're gonna center this part, because this and this is gonna be for the handles. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna measure with the ruler, okay? So you're gonna see the measurements, so you're gonna mark. So this is about 58 centimeters. So dividing by 2 is 29. So 29 is your half, the center of the box. So when you got the center of the box of the paper, so what are you gonna do? You're gonna mark it. Okay. So 29. Okay. Gonna mark here. Mark here. You're gonna do a line. Okay. Okay, so that's your half. Now what are you going to do? Because of the bottle is about 10 centimeters, more or less 8, 9.5. So what are you going to do? You're going to do one side 5.5, okay, 5.5, and the other side 5.5, okay. You're going to mark it. You're going to mark 5.5, the other side 5.5, and you're going to do you're gonna do a line, okay? You do the line, you do the other side, same, okay? When you're finished, okay, you're gonna fold it like this, okay? You're gonna fold like this, okay? And this side you're gonna do the same, okay? Like this, okay? So now you got the center of the box, okay? Now what are you gonna do? You're gonna now I'm gonna cut for the handles. So you're gonna take this, you're gonna take this, okay? And you're gonna do a cut like this. So let's cut the handle. Okay. Gonna do the same on this side. Okay. Okay, do not this. Okay. Now you gotta do, this is the handle. Now this part I don't need. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it. So we don't need this. This side. Okay. Don't need this. So this part, because of the box, is too much. So we're going to cut this part here. Be careful with your fingers. Okay. Okay, so cut this part, we cut down here, this is for the base, okay, we cut this side here, this is to make the box, you can see, okay, so this part folds. Do a small incision. The card, because this card is quite thick, so you have to apply a bit of more force. Okay. So we cut this side here. Be careful with your fingers. Okay. Then cut yourself. I don't have no insurance at the moment. Okay, take this part. This part we don't need, okay? So half is already made. Now we turn on the other side and we do the same. So we cut this part here again, same. Over here. Okay. Okay, this is out. Okay, voila. So let me see. So I cut this part here. Okay. This we don't need. So same as the other side. So we're going to cut this like this. Okay. This side. Voila. Okay. This part here. See if it comes out. Voila. Okie doke. And the last part is this one. Got this part here. Okay. Voila. I think I got the box made. I think so. Hope so. I think so. Yes. So we're gonna join the box. Okay. You see? I'm gonna take a staple. Okay. I'm gonna staple this side here. Can give another one. Can do two. This side, the same. Hold it. Like this. Okay, I forgot to cut something. Yes, sorry. I forgot to cut this part. This is the last part, but no problem. This we don't need, so this side. Okay. When you got a lot of things to cut, sometimes you forget something. No problem. Just a small cut, and the box is ready. Thank you very much. Enjoy the video and like and share the video. Thank you very much.